Hey y'all, it's Grace at LivingWell Realty. I am so excited to be back out here in Annatown Square in Anna, Texas to be checking up on this house right behind me. As you can see, we are at frame stage. This one is built by Pulte Homes and it's the Mooreville plan. My sweet clients are building from the ground up, so they have gotten to pick out so many different options. So I'll walk you through those as we go through the house. And if you are watching this wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you, whether it's in Anna or somewhere else. So give me a call and let's go see this house. As I mentioned, this is the Mooreville plan, so we will take a look through, but first wanted to give you a look at the exterior. They have not poured your driveway yet. They will do that towards the end just to make sure nothing happens to it. So that, and then landscaping, that'll be at the end. But it is pretty crazy how fast we're moving. So we already are at frame stage. As you can see, we've been making a lot of progress just in the last week. So I was out here a week ago and we had just finished foundation. So let's go take a tour. This entryway is so pretty, so I just want to take a second right here just to soak it in. I love that it's 2 stories in the entryway. So we have a bedroom up here at the front. You will still see a lot of these cross beams. So as they're framing, they use these to help hold things up. And then once everything is good to go, they'll take those down. But that is what those are doing. As you can see, we also don't have our roof yet, but that will be very soon. And then over here off of that front bedroom, this is going to be a full bathroom. We do have a window in here, which is really nice. And you can kind of see the outline. I always tell people to look at the floor, so you can tell where the tub and shower is going to be. This big pipe right here is going to be for the toilet. And then we'll have the sink right here. And then a coat closet. We are back in the entryway. So pretty. I love this little arch right here, if you can see that. That looks really nice. And then we have our formal dining. Over here, these nice big windows. Very pretty. So sorry, I need to sneeze. Okay, I'm going to take you over to this side of the home. So this is our garage. So we have a 2-car garage. There is an option to do an extra storage space, but my clients opted to make that a study, which I think is great. You get more square footage inside the home, more usable space. And if you need an office, it's so nice to have one on the first floor that's dedicated as a study. So that is a space right here. And then just to the left of the stairs here is going to be our laundry room. So a few things that we are looking for as we walk the home at this stage. And part of the reason that I make sure to come out when we're at frame stage is to make sure that every structural option that we chose in the contract is inside the home, because now is a good time to catch it. If they missed a room that was in the contract, it would be very good to know now. So just to be another set of eyes on the home, I always make sure to come through at this point. This right here is going to be our kitchen. You can see we have a big island. And then kind of an open feeling layout in here. So over here to the right with the windows, that's going to be a breakfast nook, which is right next to the covered patio. This patio is a pretty good size. Be able to put some chairs and a table out here. Then here is a look at the yard. It's nice. You really don't have too many houses looking in your backyard, so that's very nice. Room for a pool and even a putt-putt golf course. All right, over here is our living room. So tons of space. I love these big windows that we have right in here. And as you can see, I mentioned in the last video that your framing is actually bolted into the foundation. So you can see that right here. That's what those bolts are. So this bottom is the footer, so that is actually bolted to the foundation. because we do get some heavy winds here in Texas, especially the further north you go. It's not quite as developed, so I've noticed that we get stronger winds up here than you would in the city. And over here, this is called kind of a planning area, so it's going to be an extra workspace, just a nice little usable space. It's going to look out into the kitchen. Then we will step back into the primary suite. Lots of big windows back here. And a really good size room. You can fit a big bed, nightstands, dresser. Lots of space. When you are walking a home at this point, be super careful because it is not uncommon to see boards like this with nails sticking straight up. So be super careful, watch where you step. All right, this is that bathroom right off the primary. So you can kind of get a feel of where the tub is going to be. We're going to have a shower back here. I'll sneak under here to show you. This right here will be our shower. And then the water closet right there. Again, you can see that plumbing is going to be for the toilet, that bigger pipe. And then we have our closet right here, which that on the other side is going to be the laundry room that we saw earlier. So we can head upstairs. They did select a few things upstairs, which are so fun, so I'm excited to show y'all those. And one other thing that we are looking for at this point in construction is we're going to look at these pieces of wood and just make sure that the majority of the board is there. It's normal to see some where there's a little bit missing. That's totally fine. That's still a structural board. Definitely not an issue as far as I as a realtor am concerned. I'm not an inspector, but if the builder is good with it, usually we're okay. So I always recommend the pre-drywall inspection because that inspector is going to catch anything if a board is not full enough, if there are things behind the wall that maybe the builder, maybe the city inspector missed. It's so nice to get that extra set of eyes on the home before walls go up. So just a little tip of the day if you are building a home. This up here is our game room. So a nice big open space. And it looks out to our entryway. So really versatile space up here, which is very nice. You can kind of use it however. It could be another office. It could be pool table, extra TV room. This over here is an addition that my clients chose. So this one is the media room. So let's take a look. Nice big space. It's going to be really cool, decked out once I get a big TV in here, some big comfy chairs. The media room will not have windows, so that's typically how you can tell it's the media. Because you want it to be dark, you want it to feel like a movie theater. And then we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up here. So this is the first. And normally this plan is just a 3-bedroom, so we did add that extra room. Here's that bathroom. And then here's the other bedroom. And this one is at the back of the house, big window back here. And when I come back, I would presume that we will have a roof. Very exciting. All right, let's go catch up on the back patio. All right, y'all, that is it for this tour. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited for these sweet clients to make this place home. And again, if you are watching this wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you. So reach out to me. My information's below. And until then, y'all stay blessed.